In this video, I'm going to show you how to install plugins manually. The first thing to do is to come to the main WordPress website, which is wordpress.org, and then come over here to the Extend tab and click on Plugins. And you can see there are quite a large number of plugins available on this site, and you can select them either via search. You can have newest or recently updated or most popular and so on. So I'm going to search for a Facebook plugin for this demonstration, and we do a search. There we go. There's all sorts of different ones here. Let's say I want to add this one, Jetpack. So I click on that. It takes me to this page here, which describes what it's all about. And then what I can then do is come over here to where it says download version 1.13. Click on that. And then I can save the file to my hard drive just by clicking on OK. And there we go, it's downloading to my hard drive now. And there we go, the downloads are complete, so I can close this and close this one as well. And now I'm going to upload the plugin onto my website. And I'm going to go over to Plugins and select Add New. Takes me to this page that says Install Plugins, and I'm going to upload it from my computer's hard drive. So click here on Upload, and then click the Browse button so I can find it on my hard drive. Opens up this pop-up window here, and the folder that I'm going to upload from, which is WordPress plugins. So I just simply select the plugin that we're going to upload, which is Jetpack, and click on Open, and then click on Install Now. Takes a moment or two to run through. And there we go, the plugin is now installed. So all I have to do is click here where it says Activate Plugin. And you need to connect to WordPress.com to enable all the features, so click here. Okay, I have to enter my WordPress.com username, so I just put that in there. And my password. And then click on Authorize Jetpack. There we are, that's all ready to go. The process will vary slightly depending on what plugin that you're installing, but this is the basic process of how you can upload and install a plugin onto your WordPress blog manually.